Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. Well, she was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing, yeah, they're ringing. Denny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie.
Fantastic.
We are extremely proud to host Rebecca.
We are very, very proud of what she's been able to achieve.
She's a first-rate pianist.
I was very impressed by Rebecca's virtuosity.
The pieces was on point. Rebecca is my very good friend.
I'm really, really excited.
It shows that Rebecca has been doing that.
She came home because she's half Nigerian.
Talking about the Yayoban College, you know, he talks to us from there.